Hello everyone, welcome back to Update Hunt. So today I have got something exciting for all the code enthusiasts out there. That is a CodeQuezt coding competition which is hosted by the Naukri campus. So we are going to discuss all the details about this context. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, what the prizes that you will be getting, all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, lot more content will upload in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video that what this all about. The CodeQuezt, it is offering a amazing opportunity to challenge yourself and as well as compete against the best algorithm puzzles and real world problems. This context is perfect way to sharpen your skills and also showcase your talent as well. Coming to the event details, it is going to start on the November 17th and the time is of 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. And the eligibility criteria is open to all colleges. I mean, if you are studying in any degree or you're a college student or you're a school student, no matter that what education you are doing on, so it is open to all the students as well. So anyone can participate in this context. Now let's talk about why you should participate in this context. So first, that you'll be having a diverse challenge, that is from algorithm puzzles to real world problem solving. You will be tackling a variety of coding challenges that are both fun and as well as skill building as well. And also you will get a complete of cash prize worth of 10,000 which is awarded as Amazon voucher to the top 3 winners. Industry standard questions you will be getting, where in this context they will be providing the questions which are designed to meet the industry standards, giving you a taste of real world coding scenarios as well, where exactly in industries what they're going on, that type of questions you will be getting in this context. And also while you will participating, it will add some major highlights to your resume, where you will be showcasing the dedication and as well as expertise in the coding also. And it's a huge place for the internship and as well as jobs. Regularly, if you are participating in this context, it will be helpful to build essential skills for the job and as well as internship also. Now the top 3 winners will be getting, that is a first place of winner will be getting a 5,000 and the second place of winner will be getting a 3,000 and the third place will be getting the winner of 2,000 rupees. So this CodeQuest is all about pushing your limits, learning new skills, and even if you don't win, you are gaining experience and as well as preparing yourself for the future context and the job assessments. Remember, every coding challenge you participate in bringing you one of the step closer to your goals. Now, how to register for this context? Simple. The link is there in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. So once you get redirected, you need to have an account in this Naukri campus. If you're having an account, you can just press on enroll button. It will be simply getting enrolled. And if you don't have an account, you need to create it over there. See here you can see that it is successfully enrolled for me. And make sure that you enroll for this context on or before of November 17th, and the context will be starting on the November 17th on the time of 7 p.m. to the 9 p.m. it will be ending. So don't miss out this opportunity. So make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates and career building context and other opportunities. So best of luck with your CodeQuest, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.